Moving on, we got a Ketuo, and this one is the Ketuo Telson. This one has great action, great value for the money here because you have pretty long cutting edge on this one. We have M390 on the steel, beautiful tumble finish going on, sort of sheep's foot. If you call it reverse tanto, then you do you, right? But yeah, definitely very ergonomically friendly. And honestly, the fit and finish on this one is through the roof. For starters, we have a zirconium inlay going on here, right? And it goes on the other side as well. If you know anything about zirconium, you know it is typically found on more expensive knives, you know, close to 1,000 or more, typically custom knives and things like that. The fact that you can find it here on this knife from Ketuo/Reich is definitely very, very appealing. It does have titanium scales and titanium hardware. I also dig that pivot color quite a bit. It looks very, very nice. Kind of like that gear sort of design. It is a flipper open, has a little bit of a satisfying acoustics to it. Not a guillotine shot, but more of a satisfying smooth close. Right, you kind of control it yourself all the way there, which is pretty neat. Frame lock, and again, you know, very, very interesting. Nicely done backspacer with some crown jimping there. Check out the lanyard solution here, looks pretty good. Right, pocket clip also looks nice, matches the same lines as the stress relief cutout. Check out the review on this one for more details. It's pretty good, great value for the money here, and actually makes a great EDC. So not only is it a premium piece, but it actually works for EDC use. Have a little bit of belly there, utilitarian tip there for draw cuts and utility cuts. You can get some work done with this guy in style without breaking the bank. So that is the Ketuo Telson. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.